What the hell is going on, guys? We're doing a video today. Just going for a drive, talk about some stuff. It took me a minute to get this going because the lawn people are here today, which is fine. That's cool. But for some reason, they were using the leaf blower on the GTR, which is fine, I guess. It's just there was some pollen on it, he thought, and we'll get rid of it. But yeah, let's get going. I just kind of want to talk about a couple things, see what's going on, and go for a little drive. So let's get going. And it is not yet 9,000 degrees outside today in Florida, so it's a good time to do this and get going with it. And like I said, yeah, I just wanted to kind of just talk and go over some stuff. I'm really trying to figure out what to do with the channel, what not to do, where I want it to go, things like that. So yeah, once the system gets going through the checks, we'll get going. Shout out lawn guy, good job, sir. Doing good. But yeah, obviously, like, if there's anything that you guys think would be cool to do on the channel, or that you want to see, or anything that you think like, hey man, maybe don't do that, just put it in the comments. It's all good. Yes, we are low on gas. There's a reason for that, and it's connected to another video that I'm probably gonna do actually later today. But we're not gonna run through all the gas. We're just gonna go for a little quick drive. So let's put it in R mode. I can't do the 3 at one time, I don't know why. But anyways, let's go. Yeah, so first off, apparently if you're trying to get a new Z, now is the time to lowball the dealers and get that done. I had actually looked at one a while ago, like the new Z. I had a 350 you know, a little while ago that was built. It was really good. It was a good project. I loved it. I think people are just kind of like split on the new one, whether or not they love it or they hate it, who knows. But yeah, anyways, Nissan's doing this thing where they are giving huge incentives to not just the customer but also the dealership to sell just new products, not used, because apparently they sold a lot of used stuff within the last couple of years and they can't get rid of the new stuff. So it's like, as bad as it sounds, besides obviously my car, which I'm partial to, and a Z, I don't know what else you would get. The Frontier isn't bad, but like, why wouldn't you just get a Taco? Like, I don't know, you know. But and then like the Armada, it's like, okay, if you saw the previous video, I was in the last year before they did the refresh, and it was okay, it was good. It's just overpriced. It's just like they want 75, 80 grand for new Armada, and it's like, okay, well, do you really feel that that's worth it? I mean, yeah, you get a lot of car for it, but also if we get stuck in some traffic, because it's still kind of early, so just that. First pull of the day. It's great. It's like a crackhead with his first head off the crack pipe. No, I'm just kidding. You know, just to kind of give some general information, because apparently in the last month my viewership apparently is kind of split up between America and Japan. So if somebody is wondering where I'm at, this is Sarasota, Florida. It's nice. It's a good little area. I'm actually from Illinois, but I love Florida. Florida is a magical, horrible, awesome, terrible place that is super, super fun, but it's crazy as shit. Like, you don't even know. Like, it's just, it's nuts. Like, there's the coastal Florida, and then there's Florida, and that's more up north. But like where I live, I mean, it's like the good Florida. I know that sounds weird, but if you're here, you know. I know that I had recently been on a couple of cruises lately. I kind of, for some reason, got into a rhythm of going to a good and being involved in a good cruise once a week, which is really cool. I was with a guy, shout out Aaron, that I was with on one a few days ago. I think it was like Sunday. He's like, yeah, I'd never done this, and he has a legit BMW SUV that has some work done to it. It's a very, very, very good car. It's powerful. Like, I think he's doing like 550 or something to the wheel, or I don't know, but it's sick. And he was just like, yeah, you know, I'd never been on a cruise or whatever, so this is cool. And it was awesome. We had about 4 or 5 cars. You know, obviously it was at night. We kind of went to downtown Sarasota, went along the water. And that's another thing about this area too, is that, like, it's really good if you're into the car community, specifically Sarasota. I mean, there's some beautiful cars here. There's some really good stuff, and it's not uncommon to see an L11. It's not uncommon to see, oh, it's a Turbo S, or oh, it's a GT3. I mean, yeah, a GT3 RS is not super common, but it's just a really big area to see some really sick cars. We have a Cars and Coffee here that is every second Saturday, and they just recently moved it, and it is a pretty good show. It's, I think, maybe over a few hundred cars, a lot of high-end vehicles. If you're in the area, like, you know, like if you're like an hour away, whether you're in Tampa or you're down south, and when it comes to Sarasota, definitely go to it. It's good. It's family friendly. It's not a big deal. It's just, you know, they have vendors, it's food and stuff. So we are gonna head down this way. Hopefully traffic's not too bad. It's a cooler road down here, but yeah. As far as this area is concerned, I love it. It's great. I recently joined a Subaru group that my wife is in. I think I brought it up for a moment in a previous video, but I'm bringing it up to talk about like the car culture. Hold on. Sorry, these roads are pretty legit. Anyway, so I joined my wife's Subaru group, and it's 941 Subaru. So I don't know if you want to look it up. It's cool. It's a good group, and it's a good group of people. And obviously it's kind of weird because I don't have a Subaru. I thought about getting a project Subaru. I didn't, but yeah, I bring it up because, you know, groups like that are on Facebook, nothing to that group specifically negative, but they're kind of good and bad. They're good because it gives people a way to connect with people, obviously, get in a group and really get into the car culture and go from there. And there are people that are very brand loyal, that they only deal with people that have Lexuses. They'll have like a Lexus group. It's nothing against the people that do that. I know a group of people that have their own thing just for Lexus, and there'll be meets and cookouts and stuff, and it's just for Lexus, and that's fine. It only gets weird when somebody takes it to the extreme and just doesn't deal with, or will not be friends with somebody with a different brand of vehicle. That's when it kind of gets weird. And unfortunately, I kind of know a couple people like that, and that's fine. But yeah. So we are down at UTC, which is like a giant shopping center area. It's two parts of it. This is like I said, this is where they have cars and coffee. Let me over, bro. There you go. Dude, again, with all the destruction and crap that goes on here, it's crazy. What the hell is this? Dude. Oh, it's the crosswalk. I feel like a dick. Okay, well, I guess that makes sense. The new aquarium's gonna be sick. Not sure when it's gonna open, but it's gonna be cool. Yeah. Okay. It's crazy how some people don't know how to use a roundabout in Florida. I'm not even joking. There's so many times where there's just ridiculous people. So dude, no joke, I know this sounds weird, but a buddy of mine, Lewis, shout out Lewis, he had a car meet right in there. And actually, I'm sorry, it was this parking lot in here, and it was way better than we thought it would be. Like, food truck was there, everything was cool. It was kind of a spur of the moment thing. There wasn't like really a lot of planning, but it was cool. It was great. It's like right after I got this car. He had just bought my Z, so that was cool. That's an area for rowing. They have rowing competitions there. It's cool. It's a nice trail through there too. Kind of turning this video into a little tour of Sarasota. Car scene has changed, man. I'm old, just kind of let you guys know. I mean, let's just say 40. So like I'm old school. I'm from, you know, my first car was a Prelude SI, and then I had a couple of Civics and an Integra. So I'm you know, from that era when, you know, you got, you know, people still do that too though. I mean, but I went to the premiere of Fast and Furious. It was great. It was like seriously like one of the coolest things ever. Like the original one, not when they like went to freaking outer space and all that crap. Because I don't know, I think like after like the 4th or 5th one, it just got so ridiculous, dude. And like I don't know what happened to that whole franchise, but whatever. You know, like there's a meme online of of Rocky, it was like Rocky 4 where he fights the Russian, and you know, in the movie Apollo is like, yeah dude, I'll take him on, and Rocky's like, dude, you can't do that stuff anymore, we're not young anymore. And the meme goes like, when your homie wants to go on a cruise past 10 o'clock. And it's like, I felt that the other day when I went out, and we were on that cruise, got back super late. The next day it just kind of felt like crap. So it's like, there are limits to stuff, and you have to definitely be aware of it. I'm still trying to figure out this channel, still trying to figure out what's going on, you know, what the best route is for this, but at the same time just having fun, just, you know, going to events, doing whatever. Anyways, I'll close this out. Let me roll these windows up. So again, like, subscribe. Thanks for all the support. See you guys later.